welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can chat with your friends on Xbox. To do that, you are just going to go to Community and you are just going to click on the friend you want to talk to. So for instance, this person, just click on their user and press open chat, and here you can send a message. You can even add an image or clip like GIFs, screenshots, game clips, etc. I'm just going to do like a simple hello, and you're just going to click this over here or press enter to send. And I just sent this person a message on Xbox, and that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!